Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the edge of a mystical forest, lived a weary traveler named Hiro. Hiro had been journeying for days, feeling exhausted and disconnected from the world around him. He longed for a place of solace and healing, where he could reconnect with nature and find inner peace. One day, as Hiro wandered through the village, he overheard whispers of a legendary forest known as Zen Forest. The villagers spoke of its enchanting beauty and the healing energy that emanated from its ancient trees. Intrigued by the tales, Hiro decided to embark on a new adventure and seek out this magical place. With a hopeful heart, Hiro set off on a path leading into the depths of the Zen Forest. As he ventured deeper, the air around him changed. It felt lighter, purer, and filled with tranquility. The scent of pine trees filled his nostrils, and the soft rustling of leaves whispered melodies to his ears. Hiro walked in awe as the forest revealed its wonders. Sunlight streamed through the canopy, creating dancing patterns on the forest floor. A gentle breeze caressed his face, carrying with it the melodies of chirping birds and the distant murmur of a babbling brook. Feeling drawn to the healing energy of the forest, Hiro decided to immerse himself fully in its embrace. He found a serene clearing and settled himself beneath a grand old oak tree. Closing his eyes, he began to breathe deeply, letting the forest's energy flow through him. As Hiro relaxed, his senses awakened to the intricate symphony of the forest. The leaves whispered ancient wisdom, and the sunlight filtered through the trees, casting a warm glow upon his face. He could feel the earth beneath him, grounding him and connecting him to the cycles of nature. Time seemed to stand still as Hiro continued his forest-bathing experience. All worries and stress melted away, replaced by a profound sense of calm and clarity. He felt as if he had become one with the forest, a part of something greater than himself. Hours passed, but Hiro lost track of time in the embrace of the Zen Forest. When he finally opened his eyes, he noticed the sun had begun its descent, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. The forest seemed to bid him farewell, grateful for his presence and the harmony they had shared. With a renewed spirit and a heart full of gratitude, Hiro made his way back to the village. The weary traveler had transformed into a beacon of tranquility, radiating the healing energy he had absorbed from the Zen Forest. The villagers marveled at the peaceful aura that surrounded him and sought his guidance in finding their own connection with nature. And so, the tale of Hiro and the Zen Forest spread far and wide, inspiring others to seek solace in the healing embrace of nature. From that day forward, the Zen Forest became a sacred place for all who longed for restoration and a profound connection with the natural world. Remember, dear reader, that in the hustle and bustle of life, we can always find solace and restoration by immersing ourselves in the healing energy of nature. Whether it be a stroll through a park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting under a tree, let us never forget the power and beauty that lies within the embrace of the natural world.